Hi, it's Jandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Carne asada in tacos or salad is a Southwestern favorite. Here's what you'll need. A cut of meat like skirt or flank steak, some items for the marinade, some fresh fixins, and corn or flour tortillas of your choice. For the marinade, combine chopped onion, orange juice, Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, lime juice, and red pepper flakes. Whisk to combine and then pour it over the meat and refrigerate for a couple of hours. To season the meat, combine garlic powder, smoked paprika, salt, pepper, or any seasonings of your choice. Drain the marinade from the meat and place on a hot grill or in a grill pan. Then sprinkle the asada with your seasonings. Cook for just a couple of minutes on each side and then let it rest and slice it up against the grain. For tacos, add the seasoned meat, tomatoes, red onion, queso, green onions, or build your own flavors. For the salad, it's delicious with sliced tomatoes, avocados, and of course those beautiful meat slices. Carne asada, Southwest style for dinner tonight. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.